This is Buju Banton doing it for the culture, supporting Vibes Kartel here in Brooklyn tonight. Let's get it right.
Done! Mentor! Legend, that's me, sir.
You're welcome on this.
Yes, for sure. Respect.
We have some running at the past, but fuck that.
Yes. One Buju Banton, my favorite DJ ever of all time.
Hold on. Yo. Popcorn. Nothing. What is for next popcorn watch it crowd? When that song is drop. Drop it.
Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight when on the it's your boss Nando and I Billing. So we see where Vibes Kartel concert night 2 in the Barclays Center was sold out again as expected, you know. Dancehall artist Vibes Kartel, you know him a big legend in our game already, and he's being supported by all angles, and we see where a lot of guests perform and a lot of guest celebrities showed up at this concert at both night 1 and night 2. But night 2 we see where Buju Banton gave him his support by stating that, you know, the Vibes Kartel do it for the culture, and you know him coming in support of Vibes Kartel. And we see where Vibes Kartel was performing with Shenseea, the likes of Shenseea, the likes of Moliy, you know, the girl who sing the song with Shenseea, Skillibeng, the Shake It to the Max song. So Skillibeng was there also. The likes of Neo was also there on stage. The likes of Little Kim was also there. The likes of Fabulous. Now, trust me, people, this was a historical moment. You know, history made last night and Friday night. And, you know, we see where them are perform, and Shenseea made a post on her Instagram, and she was stating that, you know, unity is strength and together we stand, which is good. Me love that. You know, unity is always a good thing. You know, positivity and good vibration is always a good thing. So, you know, music is the healing of the nation, you know, and if we not do some form of unity, it not go nowhere, you know. Bob Marley said that already from a all the time. But when we have to say, they must say about unity, but we all know a one man alone, them not really have no unity with, or a one man alone, them not really push nothing with, because, you know, everybody link up and everybody come together and so forth. But, you know, once the water muddy up already, it's kind of hard to have unity with one man, which you all know who already, Alkaline and man himself, him a do his own thing. Because from at all the time, when I remember say them kind of push him out of the game away, or, you know, them fight him down a certain way, where it kind of hard now for a unity really come in play with him and the artist them. But you know, this clippings, yeah, I'm just going to play some clippings for you and give you some highlights of the show and so forth. But as me I say, you know, big props to Vibes Kartel, you know, we no come with no form of hate and no grudgefulness, and, you know, no envy, no form of them stuff, because, you know, a positivity all the way. And to make the music better, we just have to push it out there. And what me that say is that, to me, it seems like Vibes Kartel is some farmer. I guess he seems like he's the way they call it, the bridge or the gap between the overseas market, or you just say the international platforms. Then, because as we see where he might get a lot of support, a lot of push. Well, I would say he's getting the most push. You know, the people on the social media and the internet, you know, some people are going to have the whole segregation thing, because you see where them as a Beanie Man can't do this like Vibes Kartel, or them that say Beanie Man probably lose all them locks them in them head for see all of this for see Vibes Kartel. I get this support, which you know I would not think that, but you know people are always have things to say. But you know I say go ahead, man. But I go play some clippings for you with most of the performance them are most of the highlights them are what took place in our show, which as me say, it's a good look. And people are gonna talk already and say, yo, Vybz Kartel never perform well, but he might suffer from a Graves disease, and him losing voice as him stated in him first performance last night. We all expected that because him sick and him voice not really dead it, and with all that interview when put on and so forth, him not gonna be able to keep up with the pace and give a stellar performance. But people came out to see him, and that was all that matters. And may appreciate him coming out there and doing what him have to do. But what the fans them need to do, like even the Gaza fans them, them need to stop bringing other artists just to put up one artist, put up Vybz Kartel, and that's all I have to say. But let's just get right into some of the clippings.
Look, I let the Brooklyn girl then. Kiss me, baby. Turn it up, jump no man, I'm not presume. Them say the gold and them say the silver, what do you know? And what? Look. See them adding in a park is a couple million. The West Dollars and the General Right. So, tell them now. Man tough like steel. And the Jamaican in here. Because they don't know. Turn it up. When Shabbat, we all have to
Cause you walk like a boss, all like a boss, make you do, turn the pedicure wrong. Shape like you're twiddly. What's up, y'all? And she move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting me, but see, that's the kind of girl I need. You know what? She gotta hold me. What? That's my girl.
Hold on. Wifey low. Go and bring out somebody from the new generation.
Yes.
I remember say you sent it, you know.
Yes.
And with the Go-Go Club, but what would after the Go-Go Club? Dirty money, dog.
Dirty money.
Run it. Run it. Who that crowd?
As me saying, a dancehall is at its heights of unity, you know, cause 100% unity in a dancehall, cause as we see concert go on, it's a loud concert and a lot of artists there, the whole heap of support there for Vybz Kartel. But as me say, dancehall at its heights of unity. I just one man, you know, one man will not go confined to all of this where I go on, cause you know the man have to reflect, he might reflect back on all of the things him go through and all I fight with him get. So you must understand, say, yo, when you don't see Alkaline now really run into nobody, or he might do him one thing, or I would say, yo, him have links, you know, him have the friend them, cause him link with the cranium them and the other artists. And I like say him a fighting the artist or whatever, or him don't want a unity with nobody else. But yeah, him have associates with a lot of the artists them where we see even perform, support. But you know, the dog just a do him thing, and just that people just have to appreciate that. But you know, I just that one man, everybody now go see mix and mingle with everybody. You know, you hear Massacre say him the mix and mingle, but we can't see it. Massacre link with a lot of these artists also, but a one man you know go see a running into nobody and just a do his thing himself. But on the other clippings, me have some people state them experience, as what the show was like and them reaction to night 1 and night 2. So me could just run into the clippings there also.
Yo, Vybz Kartel, is you cool, bruh? I know you ain't just do us like that. I'm seeing so many think pieces on people like, yo, Friday show was ass, whoop, whoop, whoop. And I'm like, damn, I seen somebody say, boy, yo, he is 49 years old, just came out of prison, you know, battling a disease. He gave us the best performance he can. If you're a real Kartel fan, you just gonna, you know what I mean, appreciate you get to see him in person during your lifetime. Man, fuck all that. I know you ain't just do us like that. Why is that second show that stacked? Lil Kim? Fabulous? Skillibeng? Moliy? Shenseea? Who the fuck else he had? Neo? Why the fuck? First of all, why Lil Kim didn't come out yesterday? She in the fuck Brooklyn. She in Brooklyn. She could have came the fuck out yesterday too. Cranium?
So this is my review for the Kartel concert night 2. I didn't get to go to night 1, but after seeing night 2, I do wish I went to night 1. First and foremost, Kartel brought the whole Jamaica out. He brought the whole Jamaica out. We had a lot of special guests. A laundry list of special guests. I think the first night, I know Spice was there. They had Russian. They had Javinci. I'm trying to think who else came. Busta Rhymes was there. Kartel did not play for night 2 though. He did not play. So not only do we have the whole Jamaica there, we had Little Kim, we had Neo, we had Fab. My favorite moment was definitely when Neo came out for Rump and Shop and sang Miss Independent. Do you know how much power you gotta have to have Neo come out and do a performance? I think we'd be sleeping on Neo. Neo got hits. Legendary. Clock it. Of course, we had Spice again.
I just got home from day 2 of the Vibes concert in Brooklyn, and all I have to say is day 2 was historic, legendary. It made history. I don't have a voice, guys. This man broke a Barclays Center record 2 days in a row for selling out every single seat. This man had so many guest appearances tonight. It is unbelievable. 2025 owes me nothing. Nothing. World boss.
Yeah, bust down. Alex Mas, world boss. So, this is a gift to him for being a brother, a legend, a friend, and a mentor.
But hold on now. Watch your wickedest thing. I feel birthday, you know. And I mean I get gift. God is the greatest.
God is the what? All who say God is the greatest, say God is the greatest.
God is the greatest.
Alright.
So as I'm saying, people, the show was a success for Vibes Kartel, and you know, him there in that game for almost 30 years, I think so, right? Let me know in the comment section how much years him a doing that game. I think around 20 to 30 years, but you know, him a do him thing and him eat the food them off of where him never get to eat when him there behind bars, cause you know, he was behind bars and under bandage and so forth, so him never get to I do him shows them and I do him tours them and so forth. So now him a reap him fruits, him a reap him crop, and that I think, you know, put in the work and then you can reap off for your crop, you know, and that we see where other artists are do it also. But as what I'm saying, people, make me know what you think in the comments, share your thoughts and tell me what you think. And you don't know already, man, Vibes and Insight with Nando with another one, but make me know what you think what me I say about the whole thing as it pertains to Vibes Kartel, Alkaline, Beanie Man and so forth. Because you know, as I say, unity spreading a game, but you know, Vibes Kartel have him look at differences with Beanie Man, cause them a go at it over this crown thing, and you know, the fans them go to work, the fans them rebellious, and the fans them, you know, tribal, and you know, some fans are gonna be like that because some fans, when them think back on the things them where them artists probably go through or where the backlash where them artists get, you know, them now go look on it like we say, yo, unity can just happen. So, but everybody different to each is his own, and everybody go to work different or to unity. If a man want unity with another man, you know, a man have to just make the first step, and then, you know, so far in other words I would say, yo, if make it work. But in our music business like dancehall is a competitive sport. Unity I got there in some aspect, across the board in some ways, as well. You hear Buju Banton say unity 4 corner, but you know, some man I hold them own and know say, yo, me I do my thing for my own. Me can respect you for your work, or me can respect an artist for them do. But you know, an artist I say, yo, me over here, so over here, so I don't know one thing. But as me saying, our Vibes and Insight with Nando, make me know what you think in the comment section, share on the thoughts, and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm out thing. I'm out. Peace.
No boy. Image is everything. Dress is nothing. Dress is nothing. Image is everything without that.